Hey fam, welcome back to another video. Today might be the last video that I will ever do on the Miata and the last opportunity to see if this mod will change my feelings about the way the way I feel about the Miata. So you guys know I'm a big hater on the Miata. I don't know why. No offense to Miata owners, it's a beautiful car, but it's just not for me. And for those of you guys who are following up with the channel and the G35, the G35 is still down, which freaking sucks because I go out and I just want to drive my G35 so bad, dude. I've never missed a car so much. Like it literally hurts me. Literally, like when you break up with someone, that's the same feeling I get when like I can't drive my G35. But good news is that today we're having a specialist come over to my house to see if we can detect what is the problem with the G35 and see if we can possibly fix it. And hopefully this is chances way up in the sky that we can finally get the G35 running today, actually. So we'll see on that, but of course I'll keep you guys updated on another video. But without further ado, let me introduce to you today's sponsor for today's video and to see if this model will change my feelings on the Miata. So you guys know today's sponsor is coming from Manicci Luxury Auto Styling. They have an awesome badge here that they put on their floor mats, and this is the same one that I have on my G35. Of course, the one on my G35 is a little bit dirty because I haven't cleaned it and I use it every day, except right now because it's broken. But I mean, they look freaking awesome. They add to the freaking diamond stitch on my seats, so it looks freaking amazing. And you guys know one of the worst places to be in the Miata is inside the Miata, at least for me right now, because you can hear all the squeaks and the interior isn't the best. So hopefully this will replace it, and I don't know, maybe ignite some flames, some freaking love that I never knew I had about the Miata. But if you guys want to know, you guys can get 20% off on your next purchase. Use coupon code MAT15. This is probably a one-time use, so whoever uses it first wins that 20% off. MAT15. Once again, go ahead and use that. With that being said, this install shouldn't take too long, so let's go ahead and grab the mats and install them on the Miata. Now you guys do notice the Miata probably looks a little bit cleaner. That's because yesterday I gave it its first car wash since I have ever bought this car. I have never given it a car wash until yesterday, and here's a recap of that. It was the quickest car wash, nothing special. Probably gave it a lot of scratches, but regardless, we gave it a wash. I mean, take a look, guys. Look, I mean, this thing is freaking dirty. You know how dirty it is? I cannot even look through the back window. Look at this, bro. Like, what is this even a window, bro? What is? If you rub this paint with like a napkin or anything, like literally the paint rubs off. The paint rubs off. It doesn't even have clear coat, bro. So it's a tragedy. It's a true tragedy. Also, another thing about the Miata, I didn't show you guys this on video or anything, but it recently just got a check engine light. Something about excessive EGR. Took out the top manifold, cleaned it up. I guess one of the hose was clogged. Cleaned it up, left it sparkling new. The inside was very dirty, but now it's clean. And took off the check engine light, so we're good to go now. I'll also show you guys another breaking point that I had here in the Miata where I was like, yeah, this Miata gotta go. Was this right here. I was trying to put the windows up right here. I just went like this and went, bro, what is this, bro? I wonder how much water is actually gonna get inside the Miata. This has so many gas. Not even gonna cap, it looks better already, bro.
That's good.
Holy crap, dude. Can you guys see that? Check it out. It's still just a Miata. I mean, yeah, the car wash did a little something. Like, it moved my heart maybe and like tingled it, but like nothing special, man. I'm not gonna lie, when the paint was wet, it did look super good which means it needs some paint correction and it needs some clear coat. That red really did look good. With that being said, maybe these floor mats will do a little bit more of an impact towards my heart. So let's go ahead and install these luxury floor mats that I also have on my G35, and they were awesome enough to send them now for the Miata. So I'll let you guys know, see if we install them, see if they're good or not. All right guys, let's go ahead and assemble this. This shouldn't take too long since the Miata is not such a big car. All right guys, I don't know if you guys can see with the shadows, but here we're gonna be placing our first floor mat. Let's see how good the fitment is and all that deal. So let's go ahead and figure this out. This also has these little tabs. Poke them up. Ugh. Some tabs so you can get that better fitment. Go ahead and put this down here. Oh. Now it's got these tabs, but I'm not exactly sure where these tabs go. It does have that Velcro though. Bro, I'm not even gonna lie to you. These floor mats have 100% better fitment than the one on my G35, and it actually looks fucking good, bro. What the hell? Like, I didn't think floor mats would just like impact my decision on the Miata, but just the way it's looking right now, it even stretches out all the way back here. Look at it. Just the way it's looking right now, like, I don't know, man. I might end up keeping the Miata. I'm just kidding. I'm probably not gonna keep it, but it does look freaking good. I'm actually impressed. Let's go ahead and put in the other side and see how it is. Man, bro, I'm actually hella mad because this fits the Miata so good, but the one on my G wasn't too bad, but it wasn't as good as the one in the Miata, and I'm just kind of bugging now, like, did I do something wrong, or did I order the wrong one, or... But these fit so good, like it's meant to be. Bro, guys, I'm actually mad, bro. Look how clean this looks, bro. It's like a glove, bro. Oh my, this looks so good, bro. I'm actually starting to like the Miata. I'm scared. I'm scared because I want to sell this. This really made it look 100 times better. Obviously, I literally only need to switch the seats and maybe a steering wheel, and this thing could start looking like so damn good. But I never thought I would like the Miata, man. It's coming along nice. Well, there you guys have it. The Manicci Luxury Floor Mats on the Miata looked so good. The fitment for once was like 100% immaculate. I could not complain at all. It looks freaking good. I wish they made like a floor mat for the back section, you know, the back section where there's no seats. That would have been freaking sick. I'm pretty sure they might have one, but man, it looks absolutely insane. The fitment, I cannot complain once again. I didn't even have to use any of the extra tabs or things that they provided with us, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. So thank you to Manicci once again. The Miata looks absolutely beautiful, and it actually moved me maybe a little. The Miata looks so good in the inside now. Like, I'm actually really excited. The Miata actually looks good. Like, oh shit, who would have thought? But thank you once again to Manicci, and thank you to you guys once again for tuning in to today's video. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Once again, we are trying to fix the G35 today, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys next episode. Thank you guys. Peace.